India is always referred to as the land of mysteries for a long time for its innumerable unexplained mysteries related to their culture and religion. Even after science trying very hard to decode every phenomenon, there are some which even scientists are left speechless for and have no logical explanations. Here we have collected some of the most eccentric and unexplained mysteries related to India. So, without wasting our time, let's begin. Number 1. The Alien Cave Paintings of Kerma. There is a cave near Bastar which is located in Chhattisgarh. J.R. Bhagat, who is an archaeologist by profession, has found out ancient rock painting which represents human figures and flying discs. However, the twist lies in the fact that villagers claim that people land from the sky and take away villagers. Bhagat himself has rejected this idea of aliens, but another way around there is no other explanation to it. Number 2. The Jodhpur Boom. Residents of Jodhpur were taken aback on 18 December 2012 when a loud sonic boom was heard all over the city. But the army base refused to come across any such sound, and with this incident in Jodhpur has left people startled and puzzled. Number 3. The Curious Case of Shanti Devi. Shanti Devi was born in 1926 in Delhi and was merely 4 years old when she began recalling details of her past life. She made a statement that she was a reborn form of a woman from a town which is located 145 km away, and that she then died as soon as she gave birth to a child. Researchers have verified her statement and strangely found it to be true. Number 4. The Jatinga Bird Suicide. This town is located in Assam and has witnessed the death of hundreds of birds over an area of land which is about 3 km in measurement for 100 years. Researchers have speculated the explanation as putting forward the reason for fog and high altitude causing death. But scientists are even not very sure of why Jatinga is regarded as the death zone for the birds. Number 5. The abandoned village of Kuldhara. The village Kuldhara, which is located in Jaisalmer, Rajasthan, was once highly flourishing and robust. But about 200 years ago, people of the village left the village overnight. The strange part is no one has the knowledge of when they left or where they are currently settled. There are abundant theories behind the mass abandon, but one point is confirmed. People dare not settle here because they believe that this village is actually cursed. Number 6. The Shrine of Bullet Baba. A man named Om Bana died in 1991 while riding beside the city Jodhpur. His motorbike was swayed to the nearest police station, but the strange part is the next morning it was discovered back at the site of the accident. The police officers swayed it again to the police station, now with chains and tanks, but again the very same thing happened again the next morning. It was found again in the place of the accident. The place where the accident took place is now the temple to Bana's soul. It is devoted to a 350cc Royal Enfield deity. The local people are of the view that guides the lost travelers. Number 7. The Monkey Man of New Delhi. They are the most iconic documentation of the mysteries that troubled a large group of people, the Monkey Man, which prevailed in Delhi in 2001. He scared the shit out of people and left them afraid, and people claim that he has even caused injuries and scratches. He looked like an 8-foot long creature with the helmet on the top. The police were never able to catch hold of him. From that day it remained as a mystery. Number 8. The UFO base at Konkala Pass. It is located at the India-China border and was known among the people for its mysterious flying objects and strange lights in the sky. This rumor also takes a sharp turn because the area is not patrolled by the both sides of the army, so it remained as a mystery from that day. Number 9. The Rostri Iron Pillar at Qutub Minar. The iron pillar, which is located in Delhi, has remained an object of confusion among the people. This is due to the fact that this iron is believed to be rust-free and restricts corrosion since 1609 years. It was manufactured by the forge welding of pieces of wrought iron. There is no possible explanation of how such a chemical development takes place such a long years ago. From that day it remained as a mystery till now. Number 10. The Twin Village of Kerala. Kodini is a village in Mallapuram district in Kerala, India. It is a place to 220 pairs of twins with a population of just 2000 people. Scientists are yet to provide any logical explanation to why people are blessed with such a miracle. Press the like button if you found this video interesting and share this video to your family and friends. Do subscribe our channel for more videos of this kind.